Hello guys, welcome to RX Tutorials. This video I'm going to introduce to you the ultimate personal website. It's one of the most beautiful and stunning personal website. And then you don't need to be a technical person, you don't need to code to be able to build this website. I'm going to provide all the source codes for free. And then the icing on the cake is that you are going to get the chance to personalize this website. You are going to get the chance to customize it to suit your own. So just hit the like button, subscribe, and then be part of our community. So let's just jump straight to the website. So our first, or the top part of the video, or the top part of this website, it's an introduction video. As you can see, I'm giving you a handshake, and then you can see that it's a bit of a chart. So that's a video to personalize. That's my own because I'm a data scientist. So in this case, I want to show people, welcome people to my home, to my page. So that's how I personalize this. So I'll show you how you can personalize this to be your own. You can check out other videos that you can download for free, and then you can fit this in the code, or you can direct this in the code. So that's the first part of the video, and then we've done some editing to it. We've seen that it has some blue faded. We use the cascading style sheet to apply all these changes to the video. So that's the first part of the website. In the second part, we have a personal, we have our beautiful image and profile of ourselves. You can check out the details as well. There's also a link that you can follow, so you can put your social media website over there, and then you can provide your number. In this case, our business number over here. There's experience section, and also when you look at the right side, we have a sidebar. And this sidebar takes us to wherever. So this one takes us to the abilities. So when we want to go to the projects, it also takes us to the projects as well. So let me take you through this. So we have our profile here, and there's an experience section also here. You can go through, I'll go through with you all the bits of the code, how to change all this to suit your own. There's abilities or the skills that we have featured here. So there's some skills that you can put here, and also some glyphicons. You can show how strong, or you can show the strength of your skills here as well. And then my favorite part, schooling doesn't assure employment, but skills does, of course. So that is why it is so important to subscribe to RX Tutorials. We build careers, we build skills, we are providing free tools and resources. Everything is for free. You don't pay for anything. Just hit the subscribe button. Just hit the like button as well. Subscribe to our channel, be part of our community, and then we grow together. So that is how it is. So you can provide you all the skills. So you can write your own skills here in the code, as well as the languages. You can list all the languages you have and the tools that you have used over the years. In this section, we have the projects. You can write the projects that you have, and also links to the projects, the emails, and all that. So that's a bit, because I've already done a detailed explanation in the first video. That's the first personal website, and this is the second one that you can also build, because in this case the top part is a video. This is a really cool feature. It's really nice and really stunning that you can add to your personal website, and you can customize all this to be your own. As you can see, it's really stunning. So you can, there's also a button here where you can click. It will redirect you to my channel page. So in this case, you can see my channel here. If you have not watched any of my videos, go check it out and watch all my videos. Subscribe and then share it to your friends. It's going to be nice. So, and the last part of the blog, or the section, is the contact, where you can fill in your contact details as well, and then send a message. The person can, anyone who wants to contact you, you can send a message. You can send a message to you. We have the links to all our social media sites. You can add more features to it. If you have Facebook, if you have whatever social media, Snap, whatever, you can just put it here. I'll show you how to add all those features here, and then with a click it takes you to the page with my LinkedIn. It also takes me to my LinkedIn page. So if you have not followed me, go follow me, go check it out. I'll provide this website for you for free to be in the download section in the next video. So check it out. So I don't want you to miss this video. I don't want you to miss, that's the most important, how to customize this, how to build your own website. So I'll put it in the next video, the source code. You can download it, and then we go through the code along with me. So that's the thing. So don't forget to subscribe. It's a really beautiful website that is meant for everybody. It's not meant for only people who can code, because I will take you through how to customize this. Anybody at all, whether you don't know anything about coding, you don't know anything about software, it's for everybody. You can subscribe, don't miss the next video, and then I'm going to show you how you can customize all this to build your own. And after that, you're going to really be proud of yourself. So check me out in the next video. See you, and then be good. Bye.